So I'm gonna be doing a quick sneak peek of one of the tasty treats that I actually got from a current challenge that I'm even in, the 21-day challenge with one of my mentors, Garen Jones. And one of his recipes was for bars, bites, and hold on just a second because now my brain, hey, thanks for joining. Hold on, let's see. Oh, muffins, hello. So rewind, hashtag I'm human. Okay, so muffins, bars, and bites that you can do with protein, super simple snacks. So today, I'm gonna be doing first the muffins. So I'll be showing you guys some behind the scenes, super easy, super simple. You can do this with Herbalife Nutrition and or you can do this with protein you already use. So easy peasy. So real life, you get to see what I'm like sometimes. Grace is what I call myself. I didn't get any of my clothes, but I did get some on the floor. We'll clean that up later. Okay, so make sure that you, when you're doing this, and especially when you're doing a video, that you have the top on the canister. Hey, thanks for joining, I appreciate it. So in this particular case, we've got the protein drink mix, which has 15 grams of protein. Then I've got, let's make sure the top is on this one, okay? Hashtag no more first world problems, right? Pralines and cream. So that's the one that I'm using for this, and this is for the muffins, you guys, okay? And then we've got 2 eggs, just to shift the consistency, and then cinnamon. And if you wanna add a dash of vanilla, you can, but honestly, like I just love the taste of this, so I just keep it super simple. And for me, like the simpler I've learned more and more, the simpler the better. Like, it's like, if I can do something in 3, 4, 5 steps, I'm super excited. Because I think part of that is, I don't know about you, but like years ago, I used to massively complicate stuff. And also working in finance, working in strategy, working in a lot of different industries in corporate, there is a tendency sometimes for people to complicate stuff. And I honestly believe like I've become allergic to like, if life can be complicated, but if someone's taking like the simple and complicating, I'm like, okay, how can we simplify this, right? And or even myself, I'm always asking like, how can I simplify anything I'm doing? Hey, thanks for joining. And then we've got Mary? I think Mary, yes. And then I've got eggs. So easy peasy, you guys, 2 scoops of each. Let's make sure we don't spill the eggs, okay? Because again, my name is Katrina / AKA Grace, okay? And so 2 eggs. And I'm making a mini version because I brought a small pan and I wanna actually also do protein bites and bars. So I'm doing like a mini version of each to last me like a couple days, okay? Why do I have, oh, that's why. Okay, and I think I need the eggs again. And then you just mix it, you guys. So like you saw how easy that was, right? Super duper simple. And I'm gonna catch some behind the scenes with my footage so you can see like how I create content too. So just so like people can see how simple it is, we've got this, I've got the cinnamon, I've got the eggs, I've got the mixture.